Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a problem that comes with WordPress multiple network. So I have a website. This is my website, indiazone.net, and it has become very slow. I have contacted to my web hosting company, Bluehost, and it told me that I have some issues with my website, and this FCGI processes are increasing, so they have blocked these portals, and they are asking me to remove that problem. Then only they will be able to open these networks. So the problem is that I have a multi-network site on WordPress, and in this site so many users are created. See, my website is not opening. It has become very slow. So let me log into my WordPress. It has become very slow due to this. Automatically users and sites are created. I have created only 5 sites on my network, but users are creating automatically so many sites, so many users, and I have to stop it, else my business and my revenue which I am earning through my Google AdSense is decreasing day by day. Yesterday I earned this much and today this much, so everything is decreasing. My business is going down, and then look at this sites. The site is not working because FCGI processes. See how much time it took to access this website. It is taking so long. So this is my dashboard of my network site, right? You can click here. See here, I have a network admin. So see here, so many five sites I have created. So let me go to the dashboard of network admin. So it has become very slow. See here, network admin has become very slow. It's accessing very slow, and I have been facing a lot of issues with my this network admin. So let me show you first my users. So what happened was I have missed something which I am going to show you. You see here, you have 138 sites and 8,112 users. See here, 8,612 users. So many users. I have created only one user. This super admin I have created, and these all users are created automatically. This is very frustrating for me, and I want to remove it. So you need to go to network settings for this process. So what happened was I have selected this one earlier. Okay, so this option, this is under network settings. You can see here there are 2 options: network setup and network setting. You need to click on network setting. Then you need to go under registration settings. Here you can see all new user registration. So earlier I have selected this one. Both sites and users can register. So this was the problem. And see here, if registration is disabled, please set this to URL will redirect to visitors if they visit non-existing sites. So this is the problem. You need to here both sites and user register. You need to check this one, this option. Logged in users may register new sites. User account may register. So you can select either this one or this one option and click on save. Don't select these options. Otherwise, online users are going to create as many sites they want. So you need to just click on this options, this or this option, and click on save here. Save the changes here. Click on this option. So your network settings will be removed, and nobody will be able to create users and sites automatically. So you need to check out this option. Okay, so see here, yesterday I have disabled this option, means registration, new registration. I don't want. Whenever I want to add new site, I will just enable it, and I will go for users, and or I will go for this thing. You can see here my registration yesterday not done because I have disabled it. So you should, I think, do it, and I would suggest you to clean up these items. I will delete these items now manually. See here, I have been deleting these websites manually. So I have to delete these many items, and it will take a lot of time. Then only I will be able to request my web hosting company to enable these ports. These ports are actually blocked as of now, so my website has become very slow because my web hosting company came to know that my website has some malicious or virus. So I have to remove all those things. Then only I will be able to request my web hosting company to enable these ports. So I need to confirm it. So I need to delete additional users which are not useful, which are not created by me, one by one manually. So I've been selecting this select all option, but there are so many, I cannot select all of them. I can select 10 or 20, which all are coming on the one page. So similarly, I have to delete sites as well, unnecessary sites which are not created by me. So see here, it's taking too much time for deletion. So you can delete your site and users from your network admin and see if it is helping, and then you can access your website quickly. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and it will help you to set up your network admin properly and delete all additional users and sites, and stop online users to create new users and sites. Okay, so I think thank you for watching this video, and keep on watching my latest video, and subscribe my channel for more latest tips on WordPress platform. So thank you, and bye bye.